Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a wardrobe essential for your little ones, the Simple Joys by Carter's Bike Shorts. These shorts are making waves in the toddler fashion scene for their comfort, durability, and style. Stick around as we explore why these are considered some of the best Carter's shorts on the market right now. Here, and if you're a parent or caregiver looking for the perfect blend of comfort and style for your little girl, you've come to the right place. Today, we're talking about the Simple Joys by Carter's babies, toddlers, and girls' bike shorts. Now, when it comes to kids' clothing, especially for active toddlers, finding something that's not only practical but also comfortable can be a game changer. These bike shorts from Carter's are crafted from a blend of 93% cotton and 7% elastane. This combination offers just the right amount of stretch for playtime and activities, while also being breathable and soft against your child's skin. Whether they're running around the playground or lounging at home, these shorts are designed to keep up with their every move. One standout feature of these shorts is their elastic closure, making them easy for little ones to pull on and off by themselves. Plus, they come in a variety of colors like pink, navy, ensuring there's something to match every outfit or mood. Now, let's talk durability. As a parent, you want clothing that can withstand wash after wash without losing shape or color. These Carter's bike shorts hold up exceptionally well, thanks to their quality craftsmanship and materials. They're machine washable, which is a huge plus for busy parents like us. Comfort is king, especially for our little ones. These shorts provide a snug yet comfortable fit, perfect for everyday wear. The cotton elastane blend ensures they move with your child, not against them. Whether they're climbing, crawling, or simply exploring the world around them. So, there you have it, the Simple Joys by Carter's babies, toddlers, and girls' bike shorts. They combine comfort, style, and durability in a way that's hard to beat. If you're looking to add a versatile piece to your child's wardrobe, these shorts definitely deserve a spot. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products for your family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this one. Until next time, take care.